Stop scrolling if you're looking for a very simple, easy strategy that made me over $10,000 in the markets just last month. So hopping into the strategy, it's break block model. I fucking love this thing. I've been trading it for about a few years now. I want to say about two, maybe 2.5. But this thing's fucking goated, bro. I made so much money off this thing. Break block model, pretty fucking simple. You're either gonna look for a bullish or a bearish model. Also, depending on your daily bias, this kind of plays into you doing a lot of the work, but I'm going to teach you the model itself. So the model itself is for a bullish one. You're going to look for a swing low, high, lower low, higher high. What do I mean when I say that? Is basically all I'm saying is it's basically a lower time frame power of 3. So you have your accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. So basically you just accumulate price, you manipulate price. So you have these lows down here that you're manipulating, and you close above those these highs over here, basically forming that bullish CISD, and then you can come down and retrace into that range and continue higher. Basically, just this example right in front of you. Let's hop into the bearish one, just kind of go over this a little quick. So you have these swing high, low, higher high, lower low. Again, what is that? You're accumulating price, manipulating price, and then coming back down and closing below these lows, forming that CISD, so you can look to retrace back up into that range. And what am I saying by the range? The range that the breaker block gives you is going to be the range between the swing low and high and the high and low. So in this case, it's going to be between the high and low. As you can see, it's this black candle here. So we chart out this black candle. We also have this fair value gap, and you can see price retraces into that and then rejects out of there. Now, what can you look for as far as entry models off of a breaker? So you can either look for the breaker itself, or you can look for fair value gaps around the breaker. I like to align as much confluence as I can into a breaker range. So if I can even get an inverse fair value gap within a breaker range, basically the more confluence, the better. But as soon as you form this breaker range, you have that 5-minute CISD, you have that accumulation. Basically just look to retrace back up into that accumulation range or back down into that accumulation range, and then reject accordingly. So yeah, pretty simple strategy. It makes fucking bread, and I can prove it. Join the Discord if you want these fucking alerts.